to the park.
4 to 5 blunts a day, honestly.
Bro, that's a lot, bro.
Like,
I am way too high.
Damn, why I'm this high? I remember growing up seeing those commercials saying don't do meth, stay away from meth, don't do drugs. Or even those cigarette commercials with the lady that had to talk like this with the device at her neck. Yeah, I mean, because she smoked cigarettes. Some of y'all may be too young to remember that stuff. But commercials saying stay away from drugs was a really popular thing back in the day. But weed is a drug that people have learned to love because of the calming and happy feeling that you get when you smoke a blizzy. But recently, people have been noticing that weed don't really give the same feeling that it used to. Check this out.
We all understand this Zah is not the same Zah. I call this shit chemical Zah. The old Zah, bro, it used to make life beautiful. You'll go to the park with your partners, spark some Zah, and damn it, my brother, you're living great. Oh, this new Zah? Oh, this new Zah make your ass a different person. You fucked up, you can't think. At least you can't think about shit that's gonna help your ass. You just think about all negative shit. Nigga thoughts beating your ass. It's all negative. You ain't good enough. Yeah. That nigga finna crush you. Hey, bro, it's like you borderline skits, bro. It's not no game. If you keep hitting that shit and you starting to feel, hey, this shit ain't really giving me that same feeling it used to. It probably ain't the same shit.
See, I did 10 years in the military, so my days of smoking has long been over. But I had my moments in college. I mean, I was never one of those stoner dudes. But I remember back then just being amongst friends, and it would just be a whole lot of laughter, a whole lot of joking. But it seemed like nowadays, these dudes be so mellowed out to the point they walking around like zombies. I have family members that still smoke, and every time I'm around them and they're high, it's like I'm talking to an empty vessel. Like, they walk around like zombies and stuff. I'm like, yo, like, what is this weed doing to you? Like, dang, no more laughing,
Yeah,
no
that's
more
them
giggles.
lazy
You don't want to
people,
tell a
though.
joke.
They already was lazy. The weed just increased
it.
it.
This new age weed got y'all walking around stuck.
I hate when people ask me, like, how do I cope with pain? Because, bitch, I'ma always say I smoke. Like, people might not realize, but, bitch, weed and, bitch, like, it's like, I don't know, it's like smoking just done helped me out through so much. Like, bitch, it done got me through the roughest times. Like, I don't know, like, it's like you just can't explain it. It's like an undescribable love. It's like an undescribable internal peace that it gives.
See, here's my problem with people that use weed to cope, or any substance for that matter, whether it's drinking or smoking. Although the problem disappears while you're high or you're drunk, what happens when you come down from your high? Now you're sober and you're sitting there like, dang, I got really bad anxiety. And it's coming from unchecked traumas and experiences. You never really got a perspective shift on it. You never really healed or created some type of understanding through it. You just coped by smoking. So you ain't have to feel the anxieties. You ain't have to feel the pain. So because you're not actually addressing the issues that you're experiencing throughout life, once you're sober, all of those things hit you. All of those emotions and feelings hit you. So the cycle continues because you don't like the feeling of all this pressure, all this anxiety, all this build.
I mean, that goes to, it depends on who you are and how you are, because you know how we do. Hell, the world is unlimited. Hell, we gonna go through shit because we gonna do a lot of shit, okay? Life is a long one for some people. I mean, 80 something plus years ain't short change no more. You dig? That's the average expectancy. So, and for average people, hey, you can at least expect 80 unless somebody take your life. Now, hey, that might come from not minding your business. Shout out to that I mind my business video. Go back in the playlist. It's in the homework. Shout out to reminding y'all, stay safe at home. Because, hey, if you work from home, you guaranteed to be more safe than the person that got to be out there in them streets. You dig? That's another topic. But we'll try to stay on foot. But anyways, yeah, I mean, there's a lot of lazy people out there. We don't help a lot of people. But at the same point in time, hell, neither does drunk drivers. Because guess what? You ain't gonna be able to just drink that 6-pack. You gonna drink that 6-pack and be ready to drink. Like, well, shit, now I'm lit. Let's go ahead and go to the store and get another. No, now you're breaking the law because you've already been drinking, and now you want more, so now you gotta go back to the store. You see what I'm saying? No. Do they do Uber beer deliveries, I wonder? Hell, can you order a 12-pack from the store? I saw somebody shopping at the Dollar General the other day for a DoorDash. Can I send somebody to go get me a 6-pack? Somebody let me know in the comments, because I don't. Oh, DoorDash, I go give a whole shit before I go home. But that's another story.
All these extra thoughts. So what do? You smoke again, creating an ongoing cycle. Never really dealing with why do you have to smoke in order to deal with life? Like, why do you need a substance in